Hey everyone, Rob here, and well, there's been some crazy footage coming out of the local media today here in Iceland when we're looking at the volcano and the eruption that's been ongoing. Three clips I want to show you, and that's pretty much going to be the extent of what's been going on. Other than that, not too much has been happening. But let's take a look at this first one. This is coming from Ambiat, and I believe it's from one of their webcams. I'm just going to hit play. You can see there's some people here dangerously close to the eruption. I mean, you can see the steam and the toxic fumes going up right beside them. And I mean, you can see the size of this sheer cone is crazy. So we have that. We have, this is from Hafþór Skúlason. He sent it in to Ambiat. So these two clips are from them. A car was seen, and he took this picture off-road in the lava fields. And this is again coming out, a Takata Duster, and it says is out in the lava right near the eruption. And now everyone knows that you are not allowed to be off-roading in Iceland. It's well, it's just illegal. It's bad for the environment. All of that. And I have no idea how these people got there. I guess they just did a turn. But last two clips are quite insane. We have the first one here from Instagram, Tata Osavina. I don't know who that is, but you can see from the first comment exactly what people think of this. They are so dangerously close to this eruption that it's unfathomable how they even get, the sheer heat from this stuff to be that close would be quite unbearable. So I'm not sure how they were able to get so close. But let's not forget, all the area that they're standing on could turn into a lava pool at any given moment. So the floor beneath them could literally melt away, turn into liquid, well, molten rock, which is what lava is, and then they would just burn to death. I'm not sure if they'd be able to get out on time, especially since I've seen some clips of just how quick this happens. So there's this person, not sure if they're together, but there was another Instagram clip of someone cooking what looks to be hot dogs and stuff on lava. You can see literally the hot lava shooting out of the volcano, practically raining down on this person. Some of the comments, are in a different language. I don't know what it says, but one of them is very important, and that says, "Do not eat this. There's a lot of chemicals, you can die," and that's just from the smoke. Now, I do know that cooking things directly on top of the rocks is, of course, very deadly and dangerous. That's all that. In a pan, I'm not sure how much it is, but I wouldn't risk it. I mean, even standing there, the amount of fumes that go off. I mean, they're closing the Blue Lagoon time and time again because of these fumes, and here are these people, just cooking food and getting super close to the lava, driving on the lava field, and again, it's making headline news. This is where it is. I'm going to put a link to these two Instagram accounts. You can take a look for yourself and see what other stuff. I mean, of course, they have other stuff too, just about their hike to get there. You can see here, there's this one here, and then they've put together another clip of them stirring the food, and just sort of a clip of all of the stuff that they've got going on. I'll put a link in case you're interested. Do not do this yourself. Extremely dangerous. So don't follow this example. But it's definitely something, if you want these up close shots, then there you go. You can see that they were together. They hiked there together. And not sure where they're from, but there you go. I'll put a link to it. That's all the news for today. In case you are wondering, whoops, let's go back to the others and take a look at some of the news coming out of the earthquakes, basically. We, of course, had the 5.4 magnitude earthquake under Vatnajökull. And then if we take a look at the area in the, Reykjanes Peninsula, we have a pretty big, it was like just over a magnitude of 3 towards the coastline. Keflavik Airport is this purple here, and then where the eruption is currently is this cluster right around there. So it's sort of this line here going across this area is where the all of the eruptions are. Fagrasfell is right beside it. We have Klevavat, where there's some activity here, and Blauefett, we've also seen stuff happen as well. So not too much to report. Of course, a small, just over 3 magnitude earthquake hit the area, and if we take a look at exactly what it was 3.1 at a depth of 5.8 kilometers, and that was closer to the airport than it is to the current eruption. So that's all there is for the news. Take a look at these Instagram accounts if you want. Leave a comment for them if you want as well. And then don't be this guy. Don't be driving the car off-road, and definitely don't be going as close to the volcano as these other people have. Wait for the clearance from local authorities. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching.